Dryer sheet uses that actually work. Credit for the information in the video go to Ann Taylor of lifesavvy. You can read her article at the link listed. You probably use your dryer sheets to make your laundry smell fresh and feel soft. But these handy little dryer sheets can do so much more than improve your clothing. Here are some of our favorite dryer sheet hacks to try yourself. Dryer sheets have anti-static properties, which help to repel dust and dirt from pretty much anything. When you rub a dryer sheet over your baseboards, it can pick up dust, hair, and other debris, leaving your baseboards clean and fresh smelling. All you need do for this hack is take a dryer sheet and rub it along the baseboard in your home. This hack is best for picking up mild amounts of dust and dirt. You'll need to pull out some better cleaning tools if your home is particularly dirty. Wipe electronic screens. If your computer or phone screen is dusty, simply rub it with a dryer sheet to clear everything away. It is important to note, however, that this should only be done on electronics that have a screen protector. Dryer sheets contain softening agents that can leave residue on bare screens. If you don't have a screen protector, use a microfiber cloth and a screen cleaner designed for electronics. Freshen your shoes. Dryer sheets are designed to neutralize odors and leave a fresh scent, which makes them a great solution for eliminating unpleasant smells in shoes. If you have a pair of shoes that could use a scent boost, simply place one dryer sheet in each shoe and leave them overnight. And in the morning, your shoes should smell much better. If they still stink, you should probably give them a good wash to remove the odor for good. Clean your toilet. No one likes cleaning inside the toilet, but cleaning the outside of it can be even worse. The odd shape and various nooks and crannies make it easy for dust to accumulate, which can be difficult to fully remove. A dryer sheet can pick up dust and hair between the bowl and the tank that might be left behind by brushes or sponges. The static reducing properties of the dryer sheet enable it to attract dust and hair and keep them attached, making it easier to clean. Remove deodorant marks. Dryer sheets come to the rescue again with this simple hack. If you notice deodorant on your shirt, grab a dryer sheet for this hack. A used one works best, and rub it along the mark in short, quick bursts without pressing too hard. Within a few seconds, the marks should be gone for good. Just note that this hack will not remove deodorant stains. Remove glitter nail polish. Removing glitter nail polish can be really annoying, but the rough texture of the dryer sheet helps to scratch off the glitter without leaving behind bits of sponge or cotton on your nails. And it can also help to mask the smell of the nail polish remover, but that's just an added bonus. Banish hair static. Some days your hair will not cooperate with you, no matter how much hairspray and oil you use. If you're having a frizzy day caused by static, you can turn to a dryer sheet for help. Dryer sheets contain a softening agent that combats static cling in clothes while in the dryer, which makes them useful for eliminating frizzies and static in hair. To use this hack, simply run a single sheet over your hair to get rid of any unwanted static. You may want to stick to natural dryer sheets if you want to avoid the chemicals in regular ones. Use dryer sheets to deter gnats. According to Smithsonian Magazine, dryer sheets may be effective in keeping gnats away. If you have a gnat problem in your kitchen, garage, or bathroom, set out a couple of dryer sheets to deter the pesky little bugs. Now that you know about some of the other things your dryer sheets can do, you may want to stock up so you have them on hand when needed for things other than making your clothes dry better, smell better, and have fewer wrinkles. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.